Hello all, myself Rishika. How you all are doing? I am doing well. Hope you are also doing well. Today I am here to share some information which is useful, that is smart textiles. After listening this, you can get a doubt that what is it, why we have to use this and why you took this topic. So I am here to clear all your doubts. So basically, when I am searching for topics for Tech Talk videos, I found this, and when I got known detailed about this, I am a bit excited because we usually buy clothes, right? Why we buy clothes? To look beautiful and different from others. When we wear these smart textiles, we definitely look different from others and also beautiful. So for clear notes, let's get into my presentation. No, actually into my research. Before getting into my research, please forgive my mistakes and encourage me by subscribing my channel for further videos. What are smart textiles? Smart textiles are also called as e-textiles or electronic textiles. So when we listen the word electronic textiles, we basically get a fear. Oh my god, electronics. So no fear at all, because these fabrics that can enable digital components such as battery, light and other electronics to be embedded in them. So it will not look from outside, and also you can't feel it is inside. So smart textiles are the fabrics that have been developed with new technologies which provides added value to the wearer. And performance enhancing smart textiles are intended for use in sports. As I said that these were basically enhanced for sport persons because these cloths will count the heartbeat and know their health situations at the time of playing sports. If the sports person is an athletic, basically athletics have more heartbeat when they were running. So it will count the heartbeat so that the person can take care of himself after the sport. So you can get a doubt that how the clothes can count the heartbeat. That's the magic in this. These fabrics designed to regulate the body temperature, reduce the wind resistance and control the muscle vibration. If we wear these clothes, that means a doctor is with us. But this doctor can't give the treatment for you, but he can warn you about your health situation. So I think now you got to know about what actually the smart textiles were. Now I am going to share why we have to use them. We have entered the age of convenience and instant satisfaction. Performance users are all about function over fashion, like astronaut suits. These can regulate temperature, guard against radiation, control muscle, vibration, and other uses. As aforementioned, these clothes are also used to know the weather conditions. As these clothes are made with sensors, actuators, and communicators, we can communicate with the other person and we can also know about the body conditions. We can regulate the temperature of our body by using these clothes. And also, there is an advantage. It can be easily carried out without any sort of extra luggage. These were like fashion wear. All the cables and wires were hidden, so nobody notices the difference with normal clothes. Moreover, these were used for safety. Some examples were these were like UV protective clothes, multi layer composite yarn and textiles, plasma treated clothing, ceramic coated textiles, conductive fibers, fibers with optical sensors are some examples of these smart textiles. After listening all these examples, you might be confused what are all these were. These are different types of smart textiles which includes UV rays protector, plasma treatment clothing, etc. Hope you have got a big clarity why use these type of clothes. Now you can also have a doubt that how they were made and are they expensive. I am going to clarify in coming slide. Surprisingly, manufacturing smart textiles isn't a very expensive venture. As technology advances, the components used in textiles have become much cheaper. These can be sold at a reasonable rate also. Usually, electronics were made with the help of pure gold, silver, copper, and aluminum. But for these textiles, we can use the remind metal or normal metals also. Instead of creating gold, silver, or copper threads, simply coat already existing threads from fibers in various conductive materials. However, even this practice doesn't have to be used a lot. Without all these metals also, we can create the smart textiles. Means we doesn't have to use pure gold, silver, copper or the remind material. We can also create these type of textiles by using cotton or nylon with a metal fiber. They can become conductive on their own. All in all, the reduced need for materials leads to less money having to be involved. These were some fabrics which were produced using sensors and nanotechnology. Isn't it look beautiful and obviously different, right? Fibers coated with conductive polymers or metal and fibers spun with thin metallic or plastic conductive threads. Metallic silk, organza, stainless steel filament, metal clad aramid fiber, conductive polymers or special carbon fiber have been applied to the manufacture of fiber sensors. And materials such as metallic, optical fibers, and conductive polymers may be integrated into the textile structure, thus supplying electrical conductivity, sensing capabilities, and data transmission. Organic polymers may provide a solution to overcome the stiffness of inorganic crystals such as silicon. All these materials are light, elastic, resilient, mechanically flexible, inexpensive, and easy to process. Isn't it good to hear, right? Isn't they look beautiful? And they were so comfortable. And also, not all clothes, but most of the clothes were totally different from normal clothes, and they were so royal and also trendy. Also, they were too fascinated. Everyone get attracted to the clothes, not only to look different, but also it is very useful. So I hope we had a better information about smart textiles, and I'm going to show you how they were really different from normal clothes. Normal clothes were made up of different types of material like cotton, silk, etc. But smart textiles includes all the above fabrics and the sensors, actuators. All these can be fitted into the clothes by the help of artificial intelligence. This is how they were different from normal clothes. If you are thinking that textile is all about fabrics and fibers and making textile goods, then you are absolutely wrong. Application of smart textiles is as much broader as you can imagine. For example, in some medical fields, we can use smart textiles. They are infant monitoring, healthcare monitoring, clinical trials, biofeedback, medical monitoring, disease monitoring, athletic monitoring, healthy lifestyle monitoring, and also it can be used in rehabilitation, surgery, hygiene. Nowadays, it is more important to be hygiene, drug release system, therapy, and wellness. It is also used in military uniforms. So, at starting of my video, I have said that I am bit excited. Did you remember that? So, the reason behind I got excited, it is also used in military uniforms. As we have discussed above, it is made with sensors communicators. With the help of communicators and sensors, they can easily inform to the officer about the situation in military wartime. So, with the help of sensors, we can find our opponent easily. But changing some applications. If we find our opponent is nearer to us, we will take more safety measurements. What if we are nearer to opponent? Then we can easily inform to our higher authorities easily by some code languages. And also, as we have discussed above, it is also used in healthcare for patients. The smart sensor systems help in monitoring and communicating a patient's conditions since they detect, acquire, and transmit psychological signals. It is also studies about the scrutinized cardiovascular, respiratory, neurological disorders. And that's all about my research on smart textiles. If I did any mistakes while pronouncing or while forming sentences, please try to forgive me. Hope I have given you an useful information. Thank you for paying your attention and spending time for my video. If any queries, please do comment so that I can clarify your doubts. Then, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications whenever I upload my videos. Till then, bye and thank you for paying your attention.